All right, there's to be no contact with M. Butler, C. Herron, Herron, S. Gatan, Sgatten, S. Shurtleff, that's Shurtleff. Mr. Hamrick, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with assault with a peace officer or judge in counts 1, 2, 3, and 4? Those are second-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in each count and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hamrick, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,000 fine. State is recommending deferred adjudication in each count and an anger management course. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with the complainants. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, how do you plead?
No contest.
Count 2,
No contest.
count 3,
No contest.
count 4.
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. In each of the counts, state exhibit number 1 with the attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
And state, are the complainants aware?
Yes,
All right, thank you. You may continue to confer.
thank you.
Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding the guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you asking to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd ask the court to follow the plea bargain. Hamrick is 24 years old. He has no criminal record. He's a resident of Oklahoma. He lives with his parents in McCurtain County,
How do you spell that?
McCurtain County. And I would ask that his supervision be transferred to McCurtain County. I've spoken to his family. This is not characteristic of Hamrick. He is employed, works with his family, never been in trouble. And I believe he can successfully complete probation.
All right. So who is Marco Antonio Gonzalez to you?
I don't personally know him. It
Okay.
was,
Were you intoxicated? Because I don't understand. According to this, you were asking him to get out of the vehicle.
uh, I was intoxicated at the time. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will sentence you to $1,000 fine that will be probated. 10 years deferred adjudication. You're not transferred until they accept the transfer. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Probation, will they accept a transfer while he's in custody or no? All right, there should be no contact with M. Butler. C. Herron, Herron. S. Gatan, Sgatten. S. Shurtleff. That's Shurtleff. Laura Hernandez. Arizona Garza. Marco Antonio Gonzalez. And 4620 Thousand Oaks. And that's San Antonio, Texas, 78233. TAP evaluation in custody, probation. If it's discovered that they won't accept him till he's released, then he can be released. Follow TAP Rex. Proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits, one time per month for 3 months. And an anger management course. Probation, is there anything else he needs? All right, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. So here's the thing. You're gonna have to make better decisions. Otherwise, you're gonna find yourself in and out of custody. It appears that you have a drug or alcohol problem. If there are issues, just let probation know. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court, okay? All right.
Tessa Hamrick walked into a Harris County courtroom expecting a transaction. His attorney laid the foundation. 24 years old, no criminal history, lives with his parents in Oklahoma, employed, family support. The plea was clean, deferred adjudication, anger management, $1,000 fine probated, transfer supervision to McCurtain County, open and shut. Then, Judge Stephanie Boyd started reading. She reviewed the 4 counts: assault on a peace officer, second-degree felonies, 2 to 20 years possible per count. Hamrick answered every admonishment with polite practice affirmations. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sure. Yes, sure. But Judge Boyd paused. She looked at the stipulation evidence. Then she looked at Hamrick. So who is Marco Antonio Gonzalez to you? Silence. I don't personally know him, Hamrick said. Were you intoxicated? Because I don't understand. According to this, you were asking him to get out of the vehicle. Hamrick lowered his head. I was intoxicated at the time. That moment shifted the room. This wasn't just a plea. This was a man who, while under the influence, confronted a stranger, escalating until law enforcement became the target. 4 counts, 4 separate encounters with officers. Judge Boyd accepted the bargain, but she layered conditions like armor. 10 years deferred adjudication, GPS monitoring, no contact with 5 individuals: Butler, Herron, Guyton, Shurtleff, Laura Hernandez, Arizona Garza, Marco Antonio Gonzalez, and an address in San Antonio. TAP evaluation, random UAs, no employment as a home health provider or with minors, proof of employment within 30 days, monthly probation visits for 3 months, anger management. And then, the warning. Here's the thing, Judge Boyd said, leaning forward. You're going to have to make better decisions. Otherwise, you'll find yourself in and out of custody. It appears you have a drug or alcohol problem. If there are issues, let probation know. If they don't address it, you come back to court. Hamrick nodded. His plea deal held, but Judge Stephanie Boyd made sure he understood. This wasn't mercy, it was accountability with a leash. He walked out of that courtroom not just on probation, but on notice.